She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So to start off, of course, I'm going to be applying a base coat over all my nails. In this video, I am using the Enailcouture Beauty base coat. It's one of my favorites. You guys will probably see it a lot in my videos. But yes, I'm going ahead and I'm applying them all over the nails. And just in case you guys are wondering, I am using the Enailcouture Long Sculpted nail tips. And for my base color, I'm going in with this Enailcouture Beauty color called Cozy Cashmere. It's one of my favorite nude colors. And I'm going to be applying this to all the nails except for the thumbnail. I also went ahead and went over a second coat over all the nails. Now I'm going to be going in with this Model 1's gel color in 036. It's this really beautiful neon gel color. And I did get this in a set. It's their neon collection. I love it so much. But yeah, so I just applied a little bit to the very tip of my nails. And I also applied a little bit to this mixing paper. And I took a very long bristled brush. And I'm just going to go ahead and be drawing in my French tip. Got my Enailcouture Beauty color called Creamicle, and I'm going to be applying that to the little mixing paper, as well as my white color, which is Baby Powder by Enailcouture Beauty. And I'm also going to be applying that to the mixing paper because these are the colors I'm going to use to do my swirl on my nail. So using that long bristled brush, I'm just going to be using that to create the swirl on my nail. And I didn't end up liking the way it was coming out, so I opted for this smaller or this shorter bristled brush, and I like the way the swirls came out a lot better with this brush. I've gotten a comment before on my videos, someone recommending that I used a longer bristled brush when creating like designs like this, but for me personally, I think that I like to use shorter bristle brushes for like a design like this, but you could use whatever you like, whatever works best for you. Go ahead and use that.
Yes, all you gotta do is say yes. Don't deny what you feel, let me address you, babe. Open up your mind and just rest. I'm about to let you know you make me so.
For the index fingernail, I am going to go ahead and start ombreing that nail. And I just took that same orange gel color that I've been using by Model 1's. And I got my little sponge and I just started blending that into the nail. If you guys are interested in a more detailed video on how I ombre my nails, I do have a full video explaining exactly how I ombre, and I will leave that video linked down below so you guys could watch that.
Open up your mind and just rest. I'm about to let you know you make me so, 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 so. You make me so, 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 so. You make me so, 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 so. You make me so, 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 so.
So I am going to be drawing a design on the index fingernail, so I did go ahead and move that to a smaller stand that I could focus really on that nail. And here I'm gonna be creating a heart flame. This is one of my first times making this, so bear with me, you guys. But yeah, I think it turned out okay. I actually love the way that the nails came out. So yeah, this is all I did to create that heart flame. Now I'm going to be taking that eye gel beauty color called Creamicle, and I'm going to be applying this all over the thumbnail. And I'm not going to cure that because I'm going to be putting an overlay of glitter on top of that nail. And I'm also going to create a French tip with this color on the middle fingernail. And again, you guys, you don't want to cure it until you put the glitter on top of it.
See
now, while my gel polish is still wet, I'm going to be taking this super beautiful orange glitter, and I'm just going to be laying that right on top of the wet gel polish, and I'm going to make sure that everything is fully coated with this glitter. And you guys, just in case you guys are wondering, I did pick this glitter up from AliExpress. I will leave it linked down below. I think it was like a little over $1, and they have a bunch of colors, and these glitters are so beautiful. So yes, I'm going ahead and I'm applying that to wherever I have the gel polish still wet. And just in case you guys were curious, I did add a top coat underneath this glitter, so it's fully cured, the top coat, so you don't want your glitter sticking to your nails, so that's really important as well. Once you are done applying the glitter to all the wet spaces, you want to go ahead and cure that in your UV lamp for a minute, and then take it out your lamp and wipe off all the excess glitter. And right after that, you are completely done, you guys. I hope you really liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something